absolutely riddled with anxiety. You know I'm scared, I've got the body protector on. This is the fit, I've got my 360 camera here. Only issue with that is, nose job on the NHS. Not really that worried because look at the state of that. Why am I scared? Because I've agreed to go on a group ride. I'm okay. I'm on my way. Why do I look like the fat controller from Thomas Tank Engine with his hat on? I'm sick of it. Safety first though, guys.
So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floors.
Okay, right. Got another one.
Mention all the inches that are scraped.
Having a dump. It's so embarrassing. Oh, friends, why are you shitting in the river? God, we'll talk about this when we get home.
See him now, you'd be proud, but you'd think lazy yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful.
Yeah, you, look at you over there. Where are you going? What a load of wank. I'm freezing. I'm pissed wet through. I've had enough of this country.